morning, Group 52. In the book of James, chapter 3, we see how a boat, though it's so large, can do so many things. It's controlled by a tiny member called a rudder. In that same way, the human body is controlled and steered by a small member called the tongue. Quite often, the little things around us that we overlook are steering and shaping what's ahead of us. In like manner, the children around us that we often overlook, those small children are the ones that will shape and steer the future that we head towards. With that in mind, Group 52, ask yourself, what are you doing to point those kids in the right direction? And it's not a job we can simply leave up to just the parents. As we say, it takes a village to raise a child. So ask yourself, friends, family, parents, aunties, uncles, grandparents, what are you doing to encourage those children, to point them in the right direction, to make sure that whatever they see and hear from you, because they do, that it's guiding them in the direction that they should go, because they are the future, and that future is now. God bless you, Group 52. Steer wisely and have the best week of your life.